is the 33rd session of Industrial Economics, and this session is related to role and functions of IDBI. Role and functions of IDBI. Introduction. IDBI Bank is an Indian government-owned financial service company, formerly known as Industrial Development Bank of India, headquartered in Mumbai, India. It was established in 1964 by an Act of Parliament to provide credit and other financial facilities for the development of the fledgling Indian industry. IDBI Bank is on a par with a nationalized bank and the SBI Group as far as government ownership is concerned. It is one among the 27 commercial banks owned by the Government of India. IDBI Bank is considered as Government of India owned bank. It is currently 10th largest development bank in the world in terms of reach. It has an authorized capital of 3,000 crore. Management. IDBI Bank is a board managed organization. The responsibility of the day-to-day management of operations of the bank is vested with the chairman and managing director, 2 deputy managing directors and 10 executive directors. Next, subsidiaries of IDBI Bank. IDBI Bank have following subsidiaries, which are IDBI Capital Market Service Limited, known as ICMS. Second one, IDBI Intech Limited, IIL, IDBI Asset Management Limited, IAML, IDBI EMF Trustee Company Limited, IMTCL, and last one, DBI Trustship Service Limited, ITSL. Next part of this session is developmental activities of IDBI. There are some developmental activities of IDBI which can be explained with the following points. The first point is promotional activities. In fulfillment of its development role, the bank continues to perform a wide range of promotional activities relating to the development programs for new entrepreneurs, consultancy services for small and medium enterprises, and programs designed for accredited voluntary agencies for the economic upliftment of the underprivileged. Next one, technical consultancy organization. With a view to making available at a reasonable cost consultancy and advisory services to entrepreneurs, particularly to new and small entrepreneurs, IDBI, in collaboration with other All India financial institutions, has set up a network of technical consultancy organization, that is TCOs, covering the entire country. Third one, Entrepreneurship Development Institute. Realizing that entrepreneurship development is the key to industrial development, IDBI played a prime role in setting up of the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India for fostering entrepreneurship in the country. It has also established similar institutions in Bihar, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. So next part is objectives of IDBI. Coordination. There are some objectives of IDBI are as follows. First one, coordination, regulation and supervision of the working of other financial institutions such as IFCI, ICICI, UTI, LIC, commercial banks and SFCs. Second objective is supplementing the resources of other financial institutions and thereby widening the scope of their assistance. Third objective, planning, promotion and development of key industries and diversification of industrial growth. Fourth objective, devising and enforcing a system of industrial growth that conforms to national priorities. So after the objectives, the next part is role of IDBI. So role of IDBI can be explained with the following points. The first point explains it providing technical and administrative assistance for promotion, management and expansion of industry, thus performing promotional and development functions. Next role is the IDBI grants loans and advances to industrial concerns. The bank guarantees loans raised by institutional industrial concerns in the open market from a state cooperative banks, the scheduled banks, the Industrial Finance Corporation of India and other notified financial institutions. Third one, providing refinancing facilities to the IFCI, SFCs, and other financial institutions approved by the government. IDBI subscribes to the shares and bonds of the financial institutions and thereby provides supplementary resources. Fourth one, coordinating the activities of financial institutions for the promotion and development of industries. Fifth one, IDBI is the leader, coordinator, and innovator in the field of industrial financing in our country. Its major activity is confined to financing, developmental, coordination, and promotional functions. Sixth one, planning, promoting, and developing industries with a view to fill the gaps in the industrial structure by conceiving, preparing, and floating new projects. So after the role of the IDBI, next part is functions of IDBI. There are some important functions which are played by the IDBI, which are: the first one is to provide financial assistance to industrial enterprises. Second one, to promote institutions engaged in industrial development. Third one, to provide technical and administrative assistance for promotion, management, or expansion of industry. Fourth function is to undertake market and investment research and survey in connection with development of industry. So we can summarize this session by saying it is an apex institute in the field of development banking. The IDBI supplements and coordinates the activities of various national and state level financial institutions in the country.